Oh my gosh, dude, what are we doing here?
Turn right.
So that's why I take driving seriously. Because it was traumatizing.
Yeah, good this part. I don't know. He has high blood pressure.
Swerving all over.
What is wrong with him? Stay away from that guy. He's having a seizure or what?
Look at him. Oh my gosh, dude. Like 3 cars were in that lane. Go, come on, lady. Got a green light. Oh my God. What are you doing? It's a big yellow bus. And I met
In 100 feet at the
Larry
traffic
Hogan.
circle, take the 5th exit onto North Street.
Go on! What are we waiting for? You know what? I'll just let you take your time. I'm not in a rush.
See how long it takes.
We'll see how long it takes for this guy to wake up. Okay.
Right to I-695 North toward Towson.
What? There.
Over Michigan.
Okay. Seriously? What are you doing? Like, what? What are you doing, bro? If I never heard you say those words, and I wonder if you would ever tell the truth.
Dude, everyone's coming out in the snow. Why the f there's so many cars at 1 a.m. in like a snowstorm?
They're probably all like
Door dashing?
they're all door dashers. Even the salt trucks are doing door dash. They're just like, oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Come on. What? Oh my god, what are you doing, sir?
This guy to the right?
This goes insane. Still coming. More coming.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left on Providence Road. In 600 feet, turn right on Goucher Boulevard.
Yeah, that apartment building's on fire. Like actively?
First, we begin tonight in Baltimore County. Fire crews rescuing people from balconies as a fire broke out in a Towson apartment complex.
Oh, shit.